Update in 15 seconds. Tomorrow I am building a PC for my friend. I'm also doing an oil change on his Chevy Equinox. I'll be taking a video of at least one of those two things, hopefully. So you have that to look forward to. Good night, all. Joke's on you, motherfuckers. I forgot to record any of it. Currently dealing with installing Windows on a Gigabyte board and I'm having a fucking stroke. Here's the relatively finished product, though. Isn't that beautiful? I just gotta replace every fan in here with something fucking white so it matches. Well, I have a white case, but black fans that are built in, mind you. Crazy shit. But it's almost complete. So close. I can taste it.